Welcome to Tactical Arbitrage. In this video, we'll walk you through how to connect your Amazon account to Tactical Arbitrage. If you're new to the platform, this is a crucial first step. Connecting your Amazon accounts allows Tactical Arbitrage to access real-time product data directly from Amazon. Without this connection, you'll only be able to use cache data or information stored in our databases. Before we begin, it's important to note that Tactical Arbitrage requires an Amazon Professional Seller account. Amazon offers both individual and professional accounts, but only the professional plan works with our system. If you haven't upgraded yet, we highly recommend doing so to take full advantage of Tactical Arbitrage. If you haven't set up your professional seller account, keep in mind that Amazon may take a day or two to activate it. Once your account is ready, go to the Settings section of the left sidebar and select Amazon Authorization. This is where you'll manage all of your Amazon account connections. Next, you'll choose the region you'd like to connect, then click Connect to begin the authorization process. You'll be redirected to Amazon's login page. Simply sign in with your Seller Central credentials. After logging in, Amazon will ask you to authorize Tactical Arbitrage's access to your account. Review the permissions carefully, and when you're ready, click Allow or Authorize. Once you complete this step, you'll be redirected back to Tactical Arbitrage, and your Amazon account will now be linked successfully. To confirm the setup, click the Test If Correct button. If you see the green Correct message, your connection is working perfectly. With your Amazon account connected, you can now start using Tactical Arbitrage's powerful tools, like product sourcing, price tracking, and market analysis to grow your business more efficiently. If you have any questions or run into issues while connecting your Seller Central account, feel free to reach out to our support team at support@tacticalarbitrage.com.